How do I replace my riser bushings? Riser bushings on the Honda Shadow VLX 600. You know what? I can actually grab a riser or a top clamp. Give me a second here. Okay. Here we have two top clamps from Honda Shadows, all right? So this is going to be your VLX top clamp, and this is a VT750 here. I'll just put that aside. Not really. I can use this one for an example. This bushing here in the VT600 top clamp does end up wearing out. Your risers go into it. There's a little round ring right here at the bottom. That kind of goes bad after a while. And then this whole thing, it's a steel sleeve with rubber on the outside of it. You can't replace them. I've tried pressing them out. I've actually broken a top clamp before, and it does not work. I'm not really sure how they're put in there, but the very easy solution is to get a drill bit, drill this out, and solid mount your risers. You can put some washers in here. I'm actually working on an insert that's going to go in here that allow you to use your stock risers or an aftermarket riser, and you can mount it in the top clamp solid. So you basically run everything through this hole, and on the bottom you'll put your nut, or if it's, bolt through the bottom kind of riser, you can do that as well. So that's basically how you replace the riser bushings. You don't.